右がジンジャーティー、左がお湯です。
Funiko ilifunguka. Ngoja na iko maji kwa iko saini. Hii itoe na pepo.
Hawezi nipeleka huko. Sababu nikicheza na steering. Didn't see it in the movie. Oh my God.
Nice.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Almozer.
Si ofisi ya kijiji. Si hapo juu tu.
Naenda kwa Justin.
Kwa Chudo.
Gotta start top.
Adventure.
Okay. Niashie? Okay.
着きました。
こちらがキリマンジャロから流れてきている滝ということですね。はい
じゃあこれね、今からパワースポットってことで水飲んでみたいです。キリマンジャロから、流れの感じ。Oh, really?
Japanese.
You have to host. Or if you can't host, you can just leave. It's better if you can host. You don't share one room. But you know, here people they
Mix together and then you cook.
How do you call it?
Yams banana.
No, the local name.
My name.
No, this doesn't have a name.
Local name.
Matoke.
Matoke, yeah, I know Matoke, that's why.
Matoke, you mix it.
Uh-huh.
Matoke we use it to.
Matoke is planted.
Yeah.
Alright.
This
Rice?
is white rice.
Chili, okay.
This is brown rice.
Okay. Because he's making it, that's why he wants to know the real name.
This is soya beans.
Soya beans.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is beef sauce.
Alright, true.
No chips. Chips mayai, no garlic.
This is vegetable spinach. And this is chili sauce. If you like chili, you can add in banana soup.
Okay.
For the bowl, we add banana soup on the front. For the plate, other kind of food.
Okay.
Okay, also apart from the food here, we have some different kind of food drinks. We have beer and softy drinks. Beer, we have a local beer, banana beer, Serengeti, Kilimanjaro.
I want to try.
The drink is with the lunch or not?
Banana
I want
soup.
to drink and then you can eat.
ブッシュトマト。こちらがコーヒーを入る機械ということです。こちらから回して、
It's coffee. It's coming to talk with you.
ここから出てくるという形でしょうかね。
Yeah, it's coming. You call me. Say I'm coming right now.
And where is the
Sure, they told you the name of the village is Materu, and this is the last village before Kilimanjaro Park. And the people live here is Materu. Materu is the clan, combination of the families, and our tribe is Chaga. We speak Chaga in Swahili, and we are farmer. Coffee, banana, yams, potatoes, avocados, corn. This is the crops we plant. Coffee and banana is the main crop for the Chaga people. Banana we have for cooking, banana for fruit, and banana for beer. For coffee, two types of coffee, Arabica and Robusta. Arabica, high elevation grow, Robusta, low elevation. Now we are in high elevation, we have only Arabica. This coffee Arabica we plant here is organic. Grade, nothing perfume, is organic coffee. So to plant this coffee, number one, the dried bean is the seed. This is the seed. This is the one we take. We put it on the soil from 1 to 10 days, and the coffee will start to grow. Yes, this is the seed. We put it on the soil. This is coffee will grow slowly. This is 1 month tree. From 1 month to 2 years and a half, coffee getting bigger and gives you the flower for the first time. So it will give you the flower in January. From planting, 2 years and a half flower. March to July, it's growing time. August, they will be red. The red is ripe, and red is what we pick from the tree. After pick, we peel the red shell, and then we meet cherry inside. We meet 2 cherry, we meet them slimy and slippery, yeah? So because of these 2, we soak in the water for 1 day, we wash and we dry. So it's how we dry them in the sun for 4 weeks to get the dried bean. And this is the seed. I told you this is the seed to plant to get a tree. But to drink, we'll need to remove the second shell. Second shell, it's here. And how to remove the skin, we have our local machine, and the local machine we call mortar and pestle. We pound mortar and pestle, like that one. That is our mortar and pestle. Okay. Yes, so we pound the skin out. The remaining is the green bean, and the green bean is the one we go to roast. So we go to roast in a fire for 10 minutes, and they change it from green to dark brown. 10 minutes is medium roast.
10 minutes, huh?
10 minutes medium roast. 20 minutes dark roast. Or 7 minutes light roast.
Now you smell coffee.
So we prefer 10 minutes medium roast. After that, we'll need to grind to get this ground ready powder. How to grind? We put back in a mortar and pestle and the grind get this powder. After this, how we need to boil water. Till water be boiled maximum 100 degree. We take this powder, put in the water and boil for 1 minute. Then we put in a thermos, in a cup, we drink and we say coffee time. We drink, we say coffee time. Can you say coffee time?
All right.
All right, so I want you to make it. We got to make by our hand, and we're gonna start from here. We got to put in a mortar and pestle, see how we make it.
Okay.
Come on. Mortar and this thick pestle. We put this coffee and we pound. Twanga wewe, twanga sema, twanga moja, twanga mbele, twanga wewe, twanga niale, twanga naga, twanga nami, twanga wewe, twanga borai, twanga niale, twanga naga, Tonga Plaza, Tonga Moja, Tonga Bele, Tonga Dano, Tonga Sita, Tonga Sabat, Tonga Nane, Tonga Tesa, Tonga Yendembele kawayo, Yendembele Kilimanjaro, Yendembele ni hallelujah, Yendembele. The skin out.
Yeah.
And the bean is there, and we didn't even break the bean.
Yeah.
Because we dry them in the sun for 4 weeks and they are strong. So now, what next? We need to remove the skin.
Okay, how do you do?
We're gonna show you.
Nice.
Not this one, but we use this one. Take a picture.
Yeah. All right. Here. Okay.
You see that is green and the clean, and this green and clean is the one we got to roast. Yes?
So this one, we're gonna roast it, huh?
Yeah, so we're gonna roast
for
them
like 10 to
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
This is medium roast.
10
Yes,
minutes.
medium roast later. 10 minutes medium roast and 20 minutes dark.
So you
Or 7 minutes light. So let's continue.
Let's continue.
So yes.
Okay. Nice, karai.
Take a picture of the smell.
Yeah.
Of the smell.
Smell.
Yeah, here. Video.
Yeah.
Video.
Okay.
Video.
Okay.
Go there, madam.
Beautiful.
Take all your pork dog.
Yes, inside?
So, because this is hot, we can't take it. Yeah, not
Now
the
I
one.
got it, right?
Yeah.
So
No.
this inside.
Yeah.
Alright. Ah, that's the one they did that just before.
Jambo bana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni wakaribisha Kilimanjaro, kuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna
Radical. So this we grind again. We grind one more time.
Okay.
We love coffee. You love coffee? You love coffee? So we say no coffee, no life. Coffee for life. Yes? Okay, take a photo of this.
Coffee for life.
Inside less bun, that one is lighter. It's also different in taste or in caffeine. This one is strong and bitter with decaf and smooth, easy to drink with lot of caffeine. We need to mix together to get one flavor of coffee. You see light and the dark mix together, light and dark, and then one flavor, less caffeine. We go to boil and go to drink. Yes? So come and see how we boil them.
Okay.
So we put the coffee direct, and then we boil. Only 1 minute of boil.
1 minute, huh?
Yes.
1 minute.
Not longer because we gonna make it bitter. We cover one more time. You know.
Very careful.
So
the coffee you are here. You sell coffee like the grain or the
we sell
the final product. The one you sell.
we sell both.
Okay.
We have sell this one and we sell this one.
Okay.
To all of this.
Okay.
Here is the ground, settled down on the bottom of the pot, while this is good fertilizer to fertilize coffee and banana, as well as good scrub for scrubbing the face. There are some that they use this like a scrub, peeling to take off the dead skin. So this is a good coffee scrub. So you go to put more water and put on the trees, banana tree or coffee tree for fertilizer. Fertilization. So directly we put our coffee in our cups. And then I have one question before we go to drink. Our coffee is hot, so you need to cool and drink slowly. Yes? We have a brown sugar, the sugar from the sugar cane. If you maybe need to get some sugar, you can put in it and you stir with the spoon. My question is, what is the time now? What is the time? 12 $. Yeah. So beans and the powder. You can open one.
I mean, I smell.
You smell. All right. So this is organic. You know there is some coffee not. So here I open the bean.
こちらが豆、こちらがパウダー。一つ
medium.
12US ドル、
And here
2
I
つで
open.
20ドルということです。
Okay. See. Powder.
beans.
beans.
Alright.
Alright. So you take 2, you get this small discount.
Okay.
From 24 to 20.
Saying easy.
Scheiße. He's moving. Too tall. Yeah, man, I got some.
こちらがコーヒー豆の大きということです。Okay, thank you. こちらがコーヒーの豆ということですね。
Ali, tuongeze maji kabisa au?
Okay, cool. The guy is okay, because we okay.
This one.
Which one?
That's good over there.
Okay, let's stop, say hi to your friend.
Yeah, no problem.
But he sent me the location, actually we passed there.
Okay.
It's 10 minutes from here.
10 minutes? Oh, la.
Actually you pass through.
Uru. Same way. We have a way over there.
Possible. Uh-huh. Oh, it's better to start.
From here.
So you come here, sleep, and then you go.
We go. And here in Moshi, a lot of company for mountain. Yeah.
It's Arusha for safari.
For safari in Arusha, yeah. If you start safari from Moshi, it's expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah? That is the Kiko. Yeah. That is the Kilimanjaro, Kiko and Mawenzi. Mawenzi is over there. You know the kilometer of Kilimanjaro? Hapa inaonekana vizuri sema hili wingu la hapa. Tunaharibu. You have a drone? Drone.
Drone. No have.
You don't have.
Sasa kupanda huko.
Ndio siku 8.
Siku 8. Hapo naona mpango ila mtumie road. Sasa
nataka nitumie namba za road kwa atakuomba hela na kuchuna.
Nenda freeboard.
Lakini mgeni ambaye hajapanda Kilimanjaro anataka auone. Auone kanini? Kwa nini? Unaandika kwenye haijapiga.
Nimepiga.
Non. On se problème comme deux. Je veux pas tout. On croit pas qu'on aime ça.
まあそうですね。
C'est beaucoup de affaires.
そしてやっぱりキリマンジャロビールということで。
Pala hotel unaijua?
ナイロビ空港着きました。
What's your number? This one. This one, yeah.